States of matter. This chapter is very important, especially because it is dealing with the three states of the matter. Before going into the details of this chapter, let us first understand that the matter particles, or the matter whatever we are having around us, is classified into three basic categories on the basis of their physical state. They are solids, liquids, and gases. Now, we'll be dealing solids separately in your class 12th, whereas very few properties, basic properties of liquids are there taken care in the 11th class, 11th chapter, after this, at the end of this chapter, whereas this chapter mainly deals with your gaseous state. This is a very primary state because that's the state in which all of matter particles exist at one or the other time. And the other most important thing which fascinates about this state is because it's almost invisible. So in order to study this state, it was very difficult, but many scientists have contributed their heart and soul, and that is why, because of their efforts, we have been able to know this state very, very clearly. Now, we will be doing this state in detail in this chapter. We will be dealing with these gas molecules, how their energies differs, and how their energies makes a lot of difference, or how the energies of the molecules makes a lot of difference in deciding that what will be the state of a substance.